You can do it. You can do it, Michael. You can do it. He's afraid of heights, everybody. Come on, give him some help. Come on. Here, hold my hand.
No, I don't hold your hand. Get away from me.
You can do it, buddy. Come on. Yeah! Hey, are you okay?
I'm good.
Are you all right?
I'm good. I'm on the ground.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my co-pilot here, Jesse, with me. We are, that's Jesse. We are headed out to, actually not the most ideal situation. It's, embarrassingly enough, it's one of our own trucks that got stuck out here. But we got the Snowcat loaded up and we're gonna go see if we can't rescue him and get him out of a sticky situation. We got quite a bit of snow and he just went to a place where he shouldn't have been. His name's Jason. If you guys want to give him crap, comment. His name's Jason. He screwed up, but we're gonna go save him. So let's get it. Let's go. All right, so there you can see the Snowcat. Hopefully it doesn't get too dark on us too quick here, but our driver is out there. Took that canal road. Michael went out there just to check it out, see how bad it was. You excited for this, Jesse?
Super excited.
Let's do this. So he's gonna come meet us and then kind of direct us what road he thinks we should take. You can kind of see the canal here and a really terrible, muddy, snowy road that our guys shouldn't have taken. Normally I wouldn't want to post this stuff, but hey, I think Jason needs to get some crap his way. He should never have went down here, but it is what it is. We'll get him out. That's why we're prepared. Also, I got to give a shout out to Cody. Found out Cody has watched every one of our videos, according to him. He's seen them all, so he's a big fan. Shout out to Cody. Thanks for watching, man. Yeah, I did a recovery right there in that same ditch, actually.
Yeah, you did that one too.
Yeah, remember that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I did that one.
They went in right there, and that was really.
Yep.
Yeah. He did that car that I was telling you about. Okay. He pulled that car out. Can you go on a state tax?
You're like, oh, I'm not really around right now. I'm in damn Idaho. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Look at this muddy mess. I mean, really. Come on now. Come on, Jason. This is terrible. Where'd you say you were at, Michael, when you guys started? That tree back there?
Back there by that tree.
Oh, man.
Push
Hey.
it 3 feet at a time.
Hey, where's your yellow coat? That's kind of yellow.
Kind of yellow.
Oh, what a muddy mess, guys. What are we doing? What are we doing out here? Michael, he was way out there. He winched a guy out, just so everybody knows. The guy came out here, got stuck. He thought, I'm gonna try it to help this guy out. He shouldn't have. There's always other options to get people out. I did one in this same canal, this same spot on another YouTube video. I know how gnarly this is. And you can see that mud. He is stuck and he started going into the ditch, so they stopped. So now we're gonna use a snowcat, try and pull him out of here.
The chain or no?
All right, sorry it's getting dark, guys, but so what we're gonna do is get him away from this ditch. It's getting really muddy and soft. And so the snow, Michael's gonna put the snowcat right here so that we can get a good angle and start pulling the truck this way. Then we'll work on pulling him all the way out of here, all the way down there and out. All right, he's backing up. Yeah. I just have him put it in neutral.
I just want him neutral. His tires turn this way, but somebody's got to be there.
All right. Okay, so just put it neutral and turn your wheels that way towards him. Ready? Got your brake off and everything?
Huh?
Brake off?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Got his wheel turning.
A little more. Yeah. There you go, perfect.
Watch the mat.
Yeah. That's a good start. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, Hank. Well, might just have to do that all the way out. Yeah, Hank, hang on just a second. It's starting to crab walk on you, so the back's starting to get close to the ditch. Yeah, if you just stay up there, pull in that direction. Yep. Looking good. Man, that is soft stuff. Jeez. There we go.
If I did it yesterday,
No, you don't do it at all. You stay on the pavement. Jeez.
like when I saw it, I was like, when would we ever use that?
Oh, dude, it's awesome.
When would we ever use it?
About 10 times a year we use it, roughly.
Yeah, it's nice.
Turn your wheels towards me, Jason, a little bit. Right there, yeah. This flashlight sucks, dude.
Batteries going out.
Yeah, they are. What's up?
I'm gonna fix your shackle.
Oh, okay.
Good, Michael.
Okay, he's going. I think this truck's gonna need a wash after this. Right, we are looking good. Looking good, Jason. Hey, Jesse.
Hey,
I think you're muddy.
little buddy.
What happened?
Thanks for the boots.
You're welcome.
I didn't come prepared. I don't know. Somebody training their drivers.
Yeah, right.
No, it happens to the best of us.
Yes, it does.
You go out to save people who get in trouble. And
Things happen. We get it.
yeah.
Things happen. How's it going, Jason?
It's going.
It's going? Going well?
Okay.
Glad to hear it. Turn to the left a little bit. Left. There you go. There you go. Just track right behind him like that. Try and stay the center of the road, because this stuff's better. Still, you would never take a roll bed down it, but it is better right here than where you were at.
Even the other part of the road is better.
Yeah, sure. I told everybody to give you crap already. I told them your name. So they're gonna comment and go, Jason, what were you thinking, buddy?
Hey, you know what though?
They're gonna say, you know better, buddy.
I got the person winched out.
I told him, I said, you got the person winched out. Customer always first, right? Oh, man.
Oh boy, we're gonna.
Yeah, just keep tracking that way. Hey, Jesse, see if you can take him. Oh, he is now. Never mind. He was getting kind of close to this side, but he just kind of corrected, so it's all right. We're good now.
The only thing is he will pull it over.
Right. He's staying in the center well now. Oh, I bet I know what happened. You probably didn't know it snowed. Hey, that's not your fault. You didn't know it was all snowy out. No one told you.
This is how we went out a tow truck.
It snowed, Jason, just so you know. A lot. And we're about out. How was that, Michael? Fun?
I love the cat.
We do like the cat. Too bad it was under these, conditions, but hey, we got to use the cat. That's always fun.
Let us know she still works.
Yeah, that's right. We got to use her every now and then.
Fuel injection.
All right, well, we're out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. As always, like and subscribe, and God bless. See you all in the next one. You can do it. You can do it, Michael. You can do it. He's afraid of heights, everybody. Come on, give him some help. Come on. Here, wanna hold my hand?
No, I don't want to drink. Get away from me.
You can do it, buddy. Come on. Yeah! Hey, are you okay?
I'm good.
You all right?
I'm good. On the ground.